Hi, for this video what I want to do is show you how to solve a literal equation. In this case we have a formula. The formula that we have here is the volume of a rectangular prism. So the volume is found by finding the length times the width times the height. And for this particular one, what we want to do is get length by itself. I wanted to start with a really easy one. So basically what you have to do is you have to move both the width and the height to the other side. And since we're multiplying all of these, basically all we're going to do with this to get length by itself is we're going to divide by everything that is not length. So in this case, we would divide by width and height. And since we're dividing the right side by width and height, we must also, in order to keep it balanced, divide the left by both width and height. So these would cancel out, leaving length by itself. And so we would end up with length equals the volume divided by the width times the height. And this is very helpful. Being able to solve a literal equation is very helpful for when you have to do something over and over again. So like if you already know the volume and you know what you want your width and height to be, this will allow you to find the length. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you need me to cover, please let me know that as well.